Here's a delicious, easy-to-prepare salmon dish inspired by the healthy cooking of Vietnam. The sweet flavors and delicate texture of the AquaBounty salmon in this recipe is perfectly complemented with fresh cucumbers, crispy fried shallots, and aromatic basil. We'll start by making the ginger lime nuoc cham sauce. Place the garlic, chilies, ginger, and sugar in a mortar and pound into a paste. Add the fish sauce, lime juice, and water. Allow this sauce to rest for 15 minutes before serving. You can make these cucumber and carrot noodles using a spiralizer or a vegetable peeler like I've done here. Toss the cucumbers and carrots with cilantro, mint, Thai basil, and green onions, and set this aside while we prepare our salmon. Make sure that the skin side of the AquaBounty salmon is completely dry, patting it with paper towels. Season with salt and pepper. Next, heat a saute pan over medium heat. When the oil is shimmering, add the salmon skin side down. Here, I'm basting with the oil accumulating in the bottom of the pan. Let the salmon cook for a few minutes over medium-high heat to crisp the skin. Once the skin is crisp, turn the salmon and cook for 1 minute on the other side or until the fish is cooked to desired doneness. Now we'll plate our dish. Place a portion of the cucumber mixture in the center of the bowl. Drizzle with several spoonfuls of the ginger lime nuoc cham. Place a portion of the salmon on top of the cucumbers and garnish with herbs, fried shallots, and salmon roe. Here you are, crispy Vietnamese salmon with an herb salad. Enjoy!